Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to send S3 files via email. Users in your Salesforce org can download or view S3 file using S3-Link. But if you have users outside of Salesforce and you want to share a few S3 files with them, you will have to share them via email. Let's see how you can send files via email. Let's say there is an account record who has a few S3 files attached to it and you want to share those files to external users via email. Let's see how you can do that. First, navigate to the account record detail page. And you will see the S3-Link email files component on the right-hand side, which will allow you to send email via files. First, let's select external users as email recipients. If user, contact or lead is already available for the external user, then select it into drop-down. You can also select it in CC and BCC. If the user, contact, or lead is not available, then add the email address of that user in the external email addresses. Now let's set the email body and subject. You can select the email template from the drop-down to auto-populate the subject and body. After that, you can modify the subject and body if you want. Now let's select the files you want to share via email. Click on Select Files. This will display a list of all S3 files related to the current account record. Search for the files you want to share via email and select them. You can either send files as email attachments or include download links for files in the email body. Set the content type to link if you want to include download links of files in the email body. Set the content type to content if you want to attach files as email attachments. If content type is link, then specify the expiry duration of download links in the download link expiration duration field. This ensures that the link is valid only for the specified duration. If you want to send the single link for all files and download them as a zip file, check the zip checkbox. Once all details are provided for the email, click Send. This will send an email to email recipients. If the email tracking is enabled for the file, then an email history record will be created. Here is the email received by the email recipients or external users. Click on the download link in the email. This will open the UI to download files. Enter your email address and the file download passcode mentioned in the email. Click on Download. This will download all files included in the email, generate a zip file and download it. To download files as zip, your system admin will have to enable a few settings in your Salesforce org. Thank you for watching.